Hello guys everyone, this is Ifti. Today I'm back with another video, and this video will make a big change into your Shopify store. So let me show you that I already implemented the font family that I want to add in my Shopify store, and here you can see. So my main goal is to make or add this font family into your store in a way so later on it's very easy. For example, you don't know how to code, just chill, I'll show you how to do it step by step. And the good thing is later on you can change the whole font family very quickly. Let me show you how it will be look like once you add this font family or those code into your store. It's very easy, you can customize from the theme. And so the thing is that I am doing that in a premium theme, because if it works in premium theme, the same process you can do from the free theme as well, and it will appear here, but the rest of the thing is simple and same. Yeah, so let's go. For example, if you add a custom font here, okay, you just added a font here, now it changed based on your font family. So and suddenly you think, okay, let's disable the font family that I added, let's keep it back. Once I finalize my decision, then I'll enable it. So we just click here, it will be the default font family that already have in your store, and you enable that, so it will work like this. So let's start. First of all, what you have to do, you just need to download your font family here. So I'm showing you very simple process. For example, I want to add this font family. Yeah, so download this one, and now I have to unzip the file. Okay, once you unzip the file, you will see this OTF and TTF. So we can add one of the file because the code itself will convert, you don't need to worry about that. Okay, now the first step that I'm going to show you. Okay, just see the instruction one by one. So here I'm in the dashboard, and I think it's very easy, you can come this place very quickly once you log in the store. Yeah, now you have to choose the theme that you want to add. So my suggestion, take a backup. Okay, then you go for the adding code. So duplicate the current theme, then you can either edit code here or edit code here, is up to you. Okay, but make sure that once you complete, you publish the theme, then it will be fully workable. Right now I am adding here because this is not my current store, it's just a development store. So if you think that your business is going on, your ad are running, work on here. Yeah, it will be good for you. So let's edit code. Okay, so here I did something, let me remove this one and do from scratch. So just here you can search section, here you will add a section. Yeah, so add a new section, make sure you choose liquid. Okay, and give a name that so later on you can understand. So I prefer to start with custom font. Okay, even you can take in, you can choose anything, it's up to you, but I'm less, for example, keep it like this, custom font. Okay, and done. So the file is creating, once the file is done, they will provide us a schema, you don't need to worry about that. In the description I will add the code. Yeah, you don't need to worry about this. So just click here and click custom font, just copy. You just need to copy from here whole code and come here, select whole code, delete, make it empty and put it here. Okay, now click save. And now you have to be little bit more careful. So you can see the name you added here, custom font. So based on this name that you gave already, we'll go the theme file. Yeah, just delete this, go theme file, theme.liquid. Yeah, and just remember this name, um, custom font. Yeah, so go theme.liquid. Now go body. Here I added it before, like before making this video I just test. Okay, so here we will edit this one. Okay, custom font, you see the same name here, section. The thing is that which section we created here, with this section we are saying please add our section into your theme file, into your body file. Yeah, so now save. Once you save, you can see the changes. Yeah, so now we'll customize the theme. Okay, the thing that we are doing is very simple. Just you need to get one file, put the code, go theme, add this. Remember this, sometimes what happened, you wrote the code properly but it's not working. Don't be panic, just check a small thing here. Check a small thing that the hyphen, the same name is missing, the quotation is missing, sometimes people missing this percentage. So just do it simple way. And is as is paid theme, so here it's showing, but you want you in your free theme it will show here. Just come here and search with this name, custom font by Tinur. Just search with this. Yeah, you will find it, otherwise in the top or bottom or something near about header. Yeah, click here. So now we have to do add a font. So now it's time to select the font. So before we downloaded a font, now we'll add this font. So before adding font, you have to do one more step. Say for example, here is your custom font. Okay, here the font weight. Okay, here the font style, we are keeping it none or normal, whatever is up to you. Now we need a custom font URL. So we downloaded the font, now we have to link it here by using URL. So it's a very simple process. Let's go back our store. Okay, and you will find it here, content. Click content file. So what we will do, we will upload our font here, so we will get a link. So this is our main focus now. Here is TTP and OTF. Let's upload both. I'll show you. Okay, once you download any font, you will have either only TTF or OTF or both files, sometimes double OF. So don't worry about this. If you don't have TTF file, OTF file, don't worry, both will work. If you have different font file, then you can use converter, font converter, or file converter. It's very easy, like TTF to OTF you can do, but for this one we don't need to worry about that. One file will good enough for us. So let's copy TTF and paste it here. Once you paste it here, you can see the changes is starting. Yeah, the everything is changes. So the whole font family is changes, is working, header, footer, even this thing. So now you worry about that, why not is working here, why is working here. So in that case, don't need to panic. And the good thing is that uh, you can only enable the new font family, for example only your header. Okay, like I don't want to include this font my whole store, I just want to show this font in a particular place, which is h tag. So if you are not familiar with h1, h2, h3, h4, all this tag, don't worry, I'll make it more simpler. But if you think that you want the font family whole store, okay, So if you follow this step, now you are done. You can complete your process and you will see the result is good to go, and there is no other issues in your store. And remember one thing, if we star, make it star, there is one issues with the icon. So I prefer to add either um, body tag or HTML. Okay, like for example, if you edit in body, so the body will, the whatever the in the body tag, it will be changed. Yeah, and if you see like this, then you can add the comma footer. So now it will work for the footer tag as well. If you show like this, then you can like input. So those are the tag, how you will know that which tag I will put here. So you need to do what, the right click of your mouse. Okay, the right click, let me show you, right click of your mouse, and for example let's make it undo. Yeah, right click of your sorry, right click of your mouse and go inspect. Now you can see this one is not changed it with the new font family. So that's one problem. Now what you have to do, just click here. When it will be blue, just put the mouse here. So let me save the things and view, then I can show you more accurately, because I know the step that I showed you is fully workable in your store, but sometimes depending on the theme, depending on the situation, it can be look like this in this particular space. Then you will have to take another headache. Oh, it's good but it's not working. That's why I'm showing it more details. Okay, so here you can see the each text have a particular tag, yeah, which is called HTML tag. If you see the name here, the tag is started here. Okay, you will find a class name. In every tag you will find a class name, most of the cases, especially in the theme. And there is input tag. So this tag is called div, this tag is called label, this tag is called form. So, and when you click here you can see all the most of the tag and classes right side. Okay, now this is input tag. So our main goal is make the new font family still here as well. So that's why we added input tag. Okay, so all the input tag in the store now will be different. If you want, no, oh no, I just want only input tag that is in the footer, then you need to do the same thing but in a different way. For example, the input tag is this footer. How I know? Okay, if you click here, you see this is input tag and is under this div. Yeah, so this class then input tag, this class then input tag. And I am saying this, if you are not a coder, you don't want to have interest to know all of this, you can skip, because I showed you uh, how to add the font family in the store. This thing is advanced, so if you are very much interested to know more, you can continue the video, it's completely fine. Here the div under this class. Okay, and if you go little bit up, and you see this is completely under the footer. So if we say the condition is okay, make this text under the footer input only. So whatever the input tag, how if it's under or inside the footer tag, it will change the style. If same tag is another page not in the footer, it will be remain as it is. So that's why we will put footer and input, see, and this one will be changed. And so now it's completely changed, don't need to worry about that. Even you can do div as well, so every div will be changed. And if you don't want to change all of these, I don't want to change only paragraph, you can remove this, keep only paragraph. If you want to add anchor tag, you can do. If you want to add only button, you can do. For example, now only paragraph is changes. If you add here button, see now the button will change. So if you add here comma and anchor tag, the anchor tag will be changed. See, anchor tag will be changed. So it's very easy. And now the second thing is, what if I want to add, oh no, I want to add this font family only in header, okay, and in the text and everything I want to add different. So my main target is add two font family. One is title and one is the description. You can do is very easily. Let's just download this one, smash one, same process. Now our schema and everything is done. Now just we will download the font family and we will use, okay, OTF. It's fine, the OTF is fine. So let's go back to the file and we will add the OTF. Where is the OTF file? The same process. Now in the font section you only take one font for one particular design. Now we'll take another font for another design. Yeah, same process. The font family is none. You can rename here, it's up to you. And for example our one is which smasher. Okay, let's make it smasher. Smasher, SMASHER. Okay, SMASHER. So why I am renaming it, so I can understand later on, okay, this is font family is working here with this font. So now copy this font family and only the header file we will not use. We will use only span tag and anchor tag, something like this, and paste it here. So now you can see the difference. So it's normal. Let me make it normal and we enable the font family. Now you will see. So if you come back, this is smasher. If you see the description now look like smasher. If I make it like this, okay, so let's make it for whole store, so it will show in the whole store and save. And once the font family that we added before, this one is sorry, this one is maybe lemon shake or something like this that we downloaded before. Okay, we can disable this. Now the whole font family is smasher. If you enable this, the heading part is this one, maybe it's called lemon shake, or the one we added is paradise lab, sorry. So it's paradise lab. Let's rename it paradise lab here. Okay, so later on you don't need to confused, yeah, which one is paradise lab. So the paradise lab is showing now only title and the smasher is showing only the text body. If you click save and view, it's fully working in the live site as well. Let me show the mobile. Sometimes some people will say, oh, mobile is not working, but it's definitely work. It should be work. If it's not working, you can contact with me. I'll help as much as possible. And thank you very much. Still the last tips, the overall process is just for people who are having still issues with particular page. Just whatever you have to do, inspect this text, click, there should be a class inside this whole tag. Copy the particular class name, only class name, and come back. The font family, if you want to add smasher, come here, add a comma, put it here, and before this class just add a dot. So now now the whole style, if you remove these and this as well and save, the whole font family only work with only this class including text. Okay, if any tag contain this class, they will have this font family. Okay, so this is the way you can add font family by using a very easy process. You don't need to worry about the DBTM coding and everything. You don't need to worry about the converting file or OTTP WOAF. So is pretty much okay with this file and is very straightforward. You can use it. And thank you so much. Thank you everyone. If you feel that you need any kind of help or any kind of video that you want for future, I will make videos for you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.